Okay, I'm very excited to have planted my Gotu Kola. I bought these live plants on Amazon. So this is how the plants arrived in the mail. 5 starter plants with roots. Leaves will be trimmed out for transportation. So I'm going to do it in hydroponics, and I will update after I've had them planted a few days. I really like the way they package this. Recycling, and you know, it said that the leaves would be trimmed. The paper towel is nice and wet still, and they look really good from what I can see so far. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to put these in water because I'm going out. So I'm just going to put some water in here and let them stay in there, and I'll keep them out of the direct sun. And then I'll put them into a hydro setup, and I'll show you guys how I have it. Okay, so I'm going to plant this Gotu Kola. I've just had it in water for a couple days, but I'm ready to plant now. So I'm going to do it hydroponically. So I've got my mason jars wrapped in foil so the light won't cause algae. And I'm going to fill up till I see some water, nutrient solution in this net cup, till about a 1/4 inch into the net cup. Oh, I'm gonna go like, yeah, just to the bottom of the net cup at first. Then I'm gonna put some clay pebbles in. Grab one of my little plants here. Let's pick a nice one. Very happy with these. I think they're very nice. I think they'll do very well. And I'm going to try planting them in a few different situations, but I'm going to do at least 2 of them this way. So you can see how they put out runners, and these will grow roots too. So you could you know, pull them off and start them in another jar if you wanted to. But what I'm going to do now is just kind of tuck these roots down as best I can. Add some clay pebbles around there to hold it in, hold it down. You got some roots up in here, but they'll find their way down. So I'm just going to go add these clay pebbles right to about the top. And that looks good. So now I'm going to fill up right to the top, or just about to the top, with nutrient solution. And I'll be able to let the nutrient level drop after the roots get established down in there better. But for now, I'll fill it right up to the top. And so I can see it in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's about a 1/2 inch from being at the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and plant the other one up, and I'll show you them both planted. This was the initial planting. The listing said 5 plants, rooted plants, but they actually gave me like 8. So I was very happy. It came well packaged, and they look like they're going to do well. So I'll give you guys an update, but Gotu Kola is an amazing plant. It's good as an edible. It's good as a medicinal. It's one of the only plants studied to lengthen the telomeres, which is actually like basically anti-aging for the cells. It increases collagen in the skin. It helps the brain with circulation to the brain, and also anti-inflammatory. So a wonderful plant. Has kind of a parsley-like flavor, and you can use it, like I say, in salads. You can eat it, you can dry it, you can make tea with it, and use it as just as a green, or you can use it as medicinal. So I'm very happy with my purchase, and I will have a link in the description, and I will do an update video on how these do.